Hi there, my name is Iona and welcome to my channel. You want to subscribe so you can have access to all my content in one convenient place. Now, we all get busy with our daily lives, so you want to ring that notification button so you can be reminded of new content. Like and love my channel to help me grow, and be sure to leave a comment below if this video was helpful or if there's something you would like to see me do more of. So without any further delay, hi guys, welcome to my art studio. Welcome back. Today is going to be a short little video because I am exploring a brand new medium, ballpoint pen to be specific. If you have any tips or advice to give me, please put it in the comments down below. I would love to hear it. I'm very excited about trying this new medium out and excited for you to join me on this amazing journey. It's the kind of art that I've been seeing. Yes. Wow. I have spent this week trying my hand at pen, and this is what I have got. So I am going to be watching a few YouTube tutorials, see what tips I can find out there, and next week you will see how my practice sessions went and how I am doing with regards to my pen art. And then after that, I will be sending you guys tips and advice as to what you will need to do your pen drawings. But first, let me see how I do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process. Please leave a comment below if you liked it. Remember to subscribe for more content and ring that bell to get a reminder of new content. Just go ahead and do it anyway. And I will see you next Tuesday. Bye!